Slowly decommissioning this area. I have this sweet hole here. If I run a vent all the way over there, I can have a vent for my welding table. Who's a good girl? Not you. Oh, not you. So, I don't know how to do this. This will be the first knife I finish in the new shop, I guess. New. So I think I'm gonna take this and mount it in that hole like that. And then I'm going to build a box around it. And then I can make that box a negative vacuum and I can hook random things to it. I don't know. Here's a neat trick. You ever need to make a circular, mark your center, and then you take your tape measure and you pull it out exactly half of what you want. You stick it on your finger, pull out your Sharpie, and go wee. And now you should have a perfect 5-inch circle. Yep. Close enough. Got it up in its hole. You want a different show?
Let's go. Whoa. This is fun.
I got a box which sucks from there all the way down over to here, which goes down right above the table. Yeah. It's actually so dope.
How short's my rod gonna be? Give yourself a little extra.